This is our HP 6000 RV relief valve tester. As you can see, this is our control panel. On the top control panel, we have our test gauges, our digital gauge, air supply, water supply, our side flow with vent valve. And if coming down to our bottom control panel, we have a hydraulic system, our air testing for the HP air, and we have our supply valves and drain valves. Over here is our computer with our data acquisition system, and over here we have our seal plate with O-rings with the hydraulic clamping cylinder that lifts the seal plate up to clamp against the clamping arms. Over here we have our surge tank and our water accumulator, and on the other side of our test stand we have our 2 air storage tanks. Our air storage tanks are where we keep the air storage from our high pressure compressor. So coming down, opening the door, you have your high pressure compressor there, and we have our hydro pump and hydraulic pump with the water filter above. To test the valve, load your valve and center it against the O-rings and push your arms in to be able to clamp to the flange. Come over, turn on your air supply, make sure it's open and you have enough air. Move your hydraulic clamp actuator to the clamp position. Turn on your air to your hydraulics and begin rotating the hydraulic clamp regulator, and close your manual hydraulic drain valve. And then come over to our clamping plate here, and as you can see that our seal plate is going up now, moving up to clamp up the push to the flange. Once the seal plate raises all the way to the top, it will push up against the arms and create a hydraulic clamping force against your relief valve. As you can see, your arms are finally reaching the flange, and you'll be able to see that it's going to clamp into place. With your relief valve clamped in place, you are ready to do your testing. We'll come over, open the Barbie data acquisition software. It runs in live time. Hit start test. We'd enter our brass tag information here, and then once you're ready you hit OK. Once it's still, it's recording. Gonna come in and ensure that your drain valve is closed, supply valve is in the open position. Open your HP air cutout and rotate your test regulator to the desired set pressure of the relief valve. And as you see, my gauges are starting to climb. Right there, my digital gauge is going up, and on my graph you can see the pressure going up. graphing it. So I will keep continuing to bring the pressure up. When the relief valve pops, I will shut off, I will close my supply valve right here to capture my reseat pressure. There's my relief valve pop, and as you can see on my report there on the graph, you can see where it popped open, and then when I close my supply valve, that's where the pressure dropped till the relief valve reset itself. Your test is complete. You can come over here, hit stop test, and your graph will be there showing your popping pressure and your reseat pressure. With your test complete and satisfactory, it will be now necessary to drain the pressure before you can unclamp it. By doing this, we'll open our drain valve here to drain all our test pressure. Once all test pressure is down to 0, you're able to unclamp your valve. To unclamp your valve, you'll need to shut off air to your hydraulic pump, back off the hydraulic pump regulator, and open your hydraulic manual drain. And then you can move your hydraulic clamp actuator to the release position and come over here, and you'll be able to see the hydraulic cylinders going back down. Once it's far enough, you can come in, move the arms out of the way to pull your relief valve out, and your test is complete.